Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nikumaki Tofu. Nikumaki Tofu is tofu wrapped with meat and then cooked. Today I'm going to add some fresh shiso, Japanese basil flavor to it, and I'm going to cook it in teriyaki style sauce. Let's get started. These are what you need. Thinly sliced pork loin, or you can use pork belly instead. 2 packs tofu, 20 shiso leaves, Japanese basil, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, and some flour. At first, I want to drain these tofu really well, so prepare kitchen paper and put tofu in the middle, wrap it up. Put something heavy on top and leave it for 10 minutes. Today I'm using this cutting board and bowl of water. Just like this. It's been 10 minutes, so let's remove the kitchen paper. Now I'm cutting tofu into 10 blocks. So let's cut it this way first and then into 5. About this size. Let's spread some thinly sliced pork on the cutting board. And I'm going to dust it with some flour. And I'm going to put this shiso Japanese basil on top. So snap the stem off and put it here. Then this tofu block on top of shiso and roll it up. Let's dust outside of the pork too. Flip them over to do the other side. I made 20. Let's cook them. I'm heating up some vegetable oil in the frying pan. I'm using rice oil today, but you can use any other oil you like. I'm going to cook them in the frying pan, and this is the end of the pork here. This is the end. So I'm going to put it with the end facing down. So this way. When the bottom side is nicely browned like this, let's flip them over. Both sides nicely browned. So let's add the seasoning. 1 tablespoon sugar, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons mirin. Let's just keep cooking to cook down the sauce a little bit. Now the sauce is nice and glossy, so let's turn the heat off and serve. Don't forget to put some sauce on top. This is totally optional, but if you have, you can finish it up with some sesame seeds. Nikumaki tofu is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!